Good morning, kids, and good morning to your learning facilitator at home. Welcome to our English class, Quarter 4, Weeks 5 to 6. Our lesson for this week is about meaning of words. Can you repeat it? Very good. For our target lesson objective, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to give the meaning of words using clues like total physical response or TPR, pictures, and body movements. Let's have our review first from our previous lesson. What are you going to do? You will read the first word in each row, then encircle or circle the words in each row that belong to the first words group. Fruit, apple, banana, egg, orange. What are the words that you will encircle? That belongs to the fruit group. These are apple, banana, and orange. Do you got it all? Great! Number 2, pet. Hamster, dog, fish, car. What are the words that belong to pet group? Encircle it. And these are hamster, dog, and fish. Very good. Number 3, drinks. Punch, coffee, water, limes. What are the words that belongs to drinks? These are coffee, water, and limes. Number 4, feelings. Sad, happy, angry, mouth. Ah. And the words that belongs to feelings are sad, happy, angry, and angry. Let's have a game. It's called as 4 images, 1 word. You will guess the word that links the 4 pictures as fast as possible. Are you ready now? Let's begin. These are the pictures. You will choose from these letters. What does this 5-letter word? Did you already know it? Let's find out if you are correct. It is R, O, U, and D, round. Because these pictures shows round. Next, you will choose from these letters. Do you know already the word? Let's find out what is it. It's C, O, L, O, R, and S. Colors. Do you got it correctly? Very good. Next. What is it? It is S, O, U, and D. Sound. Do we have the same answer? Great. Last two sets, huh? What is your answer? It's C, L, I, M, B. Climb. And lastly, what is this four-letter word? It is C, O, L, D. Cold. Did you enjoy our game? Great! Clues help you identify the meaning of words in any context. They may be in forms of pictures, total physical response or TPR, and body movements. I study the picture below and answer the question that follows. What are the girl and boy doing? They are writing. They are looking at each other. They are studying. Great. For our learning task 1, read each sentence, match the underlined words in column A with the correct pictures in column B. Write the letter of your answer in your notebook. Ready your notebook with you. Look at the pictures very carefully in column B. This is letter A, letter B, C, and D. And for column A, number 1, Jerry has a pet dog. The underlined word is dog. What picture shows Jerry has a pet dog? Is it A, B, C, or D? Write your answer. And the correct answer is letter A. Do you got it correctly? Very good. Number 2, Tom feeds the chicken. The underlined word is feeds. Which picture shows Tom feeds the chicken? Is it A, B, C, or D? And the correct picture shows this is letter D. Number 3, my dad bought me a new baseball bat. The underlined word is baseball bat. What pictures is showing a baseball bat? Correct. It is letter C. And number 4, we spent our vacation in my uncle's farm. What letter is it? Farm. It is letter B. Very good. For our learning task 2, check the picture that shows the meaning of the highlighted words. Number 1, mother is cooking. Which picture shows mother is cooking? Is it A or B? Check it now. And the correct picture or letter is letter A. Picture that shows mother is cooking. Okay, number 2, the cat sleeps on the rug. This is picture A and picture B. Uh, what is your answer? The highlighted word is rug. Oh, which picture has a rug? Is it A or B? Check it. And the correct answer is letter A. Because this picture has a rug. The cat sleeps on the rug. Number 3, we planted a mango seed in our backyard. Is it A or B? What is your answer? And the correct answer is letter B. It shows planted. Because this picture shows watering the plants. Uh, Number 4, Missy had toothache because she ate too much candy. Which picture shows having toothache? Is it A or B? And the correct answer is letter B. As you can see, Missy is experiencing pain in her tooth. And she has a toothache. And number 5, she reads the books loud and clear. Is it A or B? And the correct answer is letter B. As you can see, the girl is reading the book. While on letter A, the girl is writing on a notebook. Now, show through actions what each word means. Are you ready now? You will act out what does this picture is showing or what is the meaning of this word. Number 1, exercise. Can you show me the action of having exercise? Okay? Like this one. Okay, great. I exercise every morning. Can you repeat it? I exercise every morning. Number 2, read. Can you show me how to read? Very good. I read my modules every day. And number 3, listen. You act how to listen. Very good. I listen to my parents to complete my module. Let us read again. I listen to my parents to complete my module. Very good. Clues are hints found in sentences. They are used to understand and identify the meaning of unfamiliar words. Pictures, body movements, and total physical response are used as clues in understanding the meaning of words. Study the examples below. Mary and Ella play together. As you can see, Mary and Ella play together. She helps her mother wash the dishes. So this pictures shows what does the sentence is telling. The family attends Mass every Sunday. Teacher Mary loves to teach her pupils. Okay, for our learning task 3, look at the pictures. Complete the phrases by choosing the correct word in the parentheses. Write the completed phrases in your notebook. Number 1, blank of Dennis. Is it book, bag, or paper? What is this? Or write your answer in your notebook. Let us answer now. And the correct answer is book. Book of Dennis. Number 2, a beautiful blank. Teacher, mother, or pupil? What is your answer? And the correct word is pupil. Number 3, the 2 blank. Is it ears, eyes, dimples? And the correct answer is the 2 eyes. Number 4, blank, blank of Jenny. Pet, doll, or tablet? And it is doll of Jenny. For our learning task 4, read each sentence, then match it with the correct picture. Write the letter of your answer in your notebook. Let us read first the sentences. Letter A, she looks very nice in her dress. Letter B, Jenny sleeps on her soft bed. And letter C, she sings well. These are the pictures. Let us match. Letter A, she looks very nice in her dress. What is the corresponding picture for this sentence? Okay, this is the correct picture. Next, Jenny sleeps on her soft bed. What is the correct picture in this sentence? Very good, it is the second picture. And lastly, she sings well. This is the first picture. Very good. Complete the paragraph by selecting your answers inside the box. Do this in your notebook. The choices are clues, picture, and words. Number 1, blank are hints found in sentences. They are used to easily understand and identify the meaning of blank. The use of blank, body movements, and total physical response are clues in figuring out the meaning of words. Let us answer. Number 1, what is your answer? It is clues. Number 2, words. And lastly, number 3, picture. Let us read again the Paragraph. Clues are hints found in sentences. They are used to easily understand and identify the meaning of words. The use of picture, body movements, and total physical response are clues in figuring out the meaning of words. Ah, please remember this paragraph. Thank you for listening, and that's all for our new lesson. I'm teacher Diana Lynn, and I'm willing to teach you every lesson. Till next time, goodbye. Take care.